Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we're going to be going over something a little different. This is the Shadow Crest Saber Shadow Sentinel. This is beautifully etched by Dale over at Shadow Crest Sabers. It is more of like a Western kind of theme, and really has a very simple, straightforward chassis and a single button activation. So without further ado, why don't we jump right in and I'll show you exactly what's going on. Alright, this is the Shadow Crest Shadow Sentinel saber. Dale does a really cool job of just doing some amazing shroud work and acid etching. I mean, this is a super straightforward saber that just looks really, really unique. I am very, very like impressed just at how beautiful this is. Now, he didn't just do the acid etching and I mean, he designed everything, like everything about this. The shroud work, he machined it all, and then did the acid etching. And let's get a better focus on here. Just absolutely gorgeous. Then did the powder coating. Like, how crazy does that look? Now, there are signs that it is like kind of a workshop saber. So while it is extremely beautiful, there's a little, maybe room for improvement in the future, like threading and stuff would be really cool, or pommel caps. But overall, I mean, this serves the exact purpose that you need, and it's just a beautiful piece of art. So the moment that I saw one of these come through, I messaged Dale and was like, hey, sell me one. So, and then he's been doing runs of these with different etch patterns, and he's just getting really good results. So hit up Shadow Crest Sabers for some custom saber designs, and he's more than happy to help you along your process. Now, this is, as I said, a very straightforward saber. It's one button. This is a KR NeoPixel AV switch. In here, which you can't see really, is a stock NPXL V4. And then this has a very simple chassis retention system. It uses a 2mm Allen key. You loosen this set screw, and your chassis dumps out the bottom. And then you have a stock rotary connector. You've got your Proffi V3, a 18650 high amp kill switch. This is a 24mm speaker, and you have an additional switch right here to control the saber. This chassis is designed by CAS Designs. Chris Skinner, always saving my neck. But this is the Vergent Scatter Anakin Lightside sound font. Now, this has a small design on the back. It is not perfectly centered with this, but it does line up on that flat. And you don't want to tighten this set screw down. In fact, it won't reach the soundboard. But you don't want to try and tighten this in where the soundboard is. So when you insert this into the saber, you want to put it with the chassis side facing the screw. This just slides right in the bottom, like that. Push it in, because it's spring-loaded connections, and then tighten down your set screw. Now, because of the rotary connector, I did an experiment where I tested to see if I could get this to light up as an additional blade, so that it could animate on its own. Unfortunately, I got some silly results, and I just switched it all back to, basically, this just mimics the blade. How about I put a blade in it? This accepts 1-inch blades, so this just goes in like this, and then you tighten it down with the set screw. Just a beautiful saber. Functionality wise, everything is controlled from this one button or the button on the chassis. They are both the same button technically, but the saber has a couple fonts.
Ezra?
Most of them are actually from the Ahsoka series.
Rock.
I've been working on a lot of Ahsoka series sabers, so these fonts were in my library up front and center. So, perfect way to demo the saber. This one's really great. This is, well, Mario Kart by Kyberphonic. All the fonts are Kyberphonic.
Crispity.
Battery level.
Party saber.
So, a lot of fun fonts on here. There's a lot of fun capabilities. This saber, like I said, as soon as I had one come through the shop, I immediately ordered one. And I know that he's doing runs of these, so definitely reach out to me and let me know if you need one installed, and I can do it up for you. This is a Proffieboard, so in order to actually put it back for display, all of these screws, by the way, are 2mm Allen keys. Take out your blade, nice snug fit, take out your chassis, turn it off, put it back in, and you are good to go. Just tighten up your screw. Bam. So, nice and easy. I don't know what else you could want. It's beautiful. Anyways, let's wrap the video here before this train blows me out of the video. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe to see more cool installs just like this guy. There's definitely a lot coming in the future, so make sure you like and subscribe. It really does mean a lot. If you're looking for any commission work, I have a ready-to-ship section, I have a made-to-order section, and I have a KRSabers installation section on my website at sabersforever.com. If you can't find what you're looking for on my website and have any inquiry at all about sabers really, you can reach out to John at sabersforever.com, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you again, and may the Force be with you.